Okay, yesterday we saw how to place 3D components from 3D warehouse and all. Today we will see how to make a component like bookshelf or something. And if time allows, we'll see about materials also, how to apply, how to import from 3D warehouse or and how to import different textures like that. Okay, first we will see about components, how to make and how to work with components. Here in our model, so I will replace this to this side. Okay, now here I will create one case here. For that, first I will make a rectangle. Okay, depth will be 12 inches and width will be like 3 feet I will take. Okay, so in this space I want to create one bookshelf. For that, what is the procedure is, so first you have to make a rectangle. Okay, then select it, double click on that and right click and make it as a component. Okay, bookshelf one. Okay, and create. Now go inside of that component, give the height, so minimum, so maximum 8 feet I will give, so that much height only we can able to take things from that. So after making component, what you have to do is, so one more thing is there, so go inside of that. I'm taking this vertical component. Okay, vertical component, and I'm making it as a another component, vertical shelf. So when you are making component, you see to that replace selection with component. Okay, when you are, if it is unclick and if you create a component, okay, so this will not create any component. I created component, but it is not created. What you have to do is go inside of that, select, right click and make component. Here you have to tick mark replace selection with component, then only it will become like so. Vertical shelf, create, sorry, vertical shelf and create. See, now you can able to see the component, another component here. And when you are making like this component, okay, go inside of this, and when you are doing triple click, everything must select, right? So I'm doing triple click and I'm deleting. So when you are doing that, another component will not delete, only that remaining object will be deleted. Okay, If it is group or something, it will be deleted, but component will not delete. And you can delete these faces also by using erase tool like this. But the easiest thing is by doing triple click and delete. And then this vertical shelf I will give 1 inch. Okay. Now downside I will make, okay, here in 3 feet already 1 inch gone, right? So how many inches will be left? 36 means 35. Okay. Then sorry, we draw on this outside of this, right, component. We have to go inside of that component and we have to draw. So go inside of that, and now you have to 35 enter. Okay. Then it will come inside of that particular component, and this is make it as a component. mm, Shelf cabinet. So after making component, so take it as 3, not 3 feet. Okay, 3 feet. I'll take 2.5 feet. Okay. So what I will do is I will make this component is 5x. Okay, 5 I made, 5 or 4x. Okay, here 4 I made. Let's go inside of this component and from down I want to give some space. I'll select this line. Okay, 2 inch inside I will keep. Then for this face, I'll create one midpoint line. For this you can make okay, 1 inch. Like this you can make. After that, so I am making it as another component for horizontal shelves. Okay, so I'm going inside of this. I'm making push pull 1 inch. and this component I will copy. So how many shelves you want horizontally? That means 4 divided by, okay, 4 slash like this, 4 or 5 according to size, how much space you need, that much you can keep. So like this you can make horizontal shelves. So until here clear, right? So actually what I want to do is I want to create one space here for keeping TV inside of this. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we have to remove this part, right? So for that what you have to do is if you select this particular shelf, means if you want to take it back, so everything is changing, right? Because it is a component. So that time what you have to do is that particular, this both cabinets only I have to do changes, right? So in that case we have to make it as a separate component, so make unique. Okay, then whatever changes you will do inside of this, and you are making only the outer component is unique. Okay, but not inside this. Inside also one component is there, but it is common to everyone, every shelf. So you have to make it this also a unique component. Make unique. So we have to remove. Okay, this both became unique. Mhm. What it is unique. Okay, this horizontal shelves. So for this also. Hmm. Okay. Why it is not?